Web data extraction can be complex, tedious, and unreliable. Finding the right CSS selector or XPath to extract specific pieces of data for each website is time-consuming and hard to maintain. Anti-bot measures, CAPTCHAs, and dynamic content throw constant roadblocks in your path. Introducing Minexa.ai, a smarter way to transform any web page into structured data. With our cutting-edge API, simply enter the URL and the data you need. Then, Minexa.ai-driven technology will automatically identify and label the valuable pieces of data and detect the optimal scraping settings to bypass any anti-bot measure. With just a few lines of code, you can reliably and accurately extract data from any website structure in minutes, saving you hours of work. Minexa.ai also makes scalability simple and cost-effective. With a single setting, you can easily instruct concurrent execution through code. Additionally, because all scraping is done through the API, you significantly reduce the need for RAM and lower cloud infrastructure costs. Experience the power of simplified data extraction with Minexa.ai. Sign up today and transform your data pipeline.